Hey everybody, this is Steve Cooper with Balco. Welcome to Coop's Corner. The background looks a little different today. I'm shooting from our Balco facility in Wichita, Kansas. So today I want to talk to you about our MetaCaulk Intumescent Sleeve product. So it's really excellent Firestop solution for lots of different applications. This is our 2, 3, 4 sleeve, so it's made for wrapping around 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch non-metallic pipes. You can just wrap this around the pipe and push it down into the opening. You can use this in gypsum walls or concrete floors. There's also a larger size. We have a 6/8 sleeve. So this is made for 6-inch and 8-inch pipes. So it wraps around the pipes. And you can double these up and use 2 sleeves to do all the way up to a large 12-inch diameter pipe like you see here. Very, very large openings, right? Huge pipes. You can fire stop with this device. They're really, really wonderful. They're a metal sheet with joint strip intumescent inside there that does all the fire stopping. So how do you install a fire stop system like this in a concrete fluted deck application? Well, there's 2 ways to do it. The traditional method is to use a fire stop collar. So what you see here is a fire stop collar design. And typically what is done there is all of the work is installed from underneath the bottom of the floor on a ladder looking up. And the typical process is you make a metal plate, you size it so that you can attach it to the base of the flutes, you cut a hole in the plate so that you can run your pipe, you stuff mineral wool insulation inside that cavity, you install your fire stop collar device, attach it to the metal plate, and it's quite a bit of labor, but it does work well. But we've solved a lot of the labor issue by using our intumescent sleeve applications. So we can wrap the sleeve around the pipe, shove it down in the opening from the top of the floor. So you don't ever have to get underneath there and look up. You're just walking on top of the floor. You have your pipe through your opening. You wrap your sleeve around it, slide it down inside there. You can attach it with hose clamps or different kinds of tapes. All that's spelled out in the UL listings. And then you can just put a smoke sealant around the outside edge. Typically we use MetaCaulk 150 plus or 1000 sealant around the outside edges. You can look at the listings and see what kinds of different materials can be used for that application. Huge labor savings though. I mean, all you have to do is just wrap it around there, hold it in place with a clamp, put some sealant around it, walk away. Huge labor savings. So thanks again for visiting Coop's Corner, and we'll see you next time.